All right, so we have our patterns made, and the next step is we're going to lay them on top of our bubble wrap, and that bubble wrap will be eventually a insulated window covering. So anyway, stay tuned. We're going to work on that right now. So the goal here is to place the pattern where you'll save the most material. Now that I found the optimal spot to lay the pattern, I will go ahead and tape it down and then trace the outline with a Sharpie. After the tracing process, we're ready to cut out our covers. With our covers cut out, now it's time to go test fit them. Here's the covers that we made, and yeah, I'm going to go ahead and see how they fit. Give it a try. I have all the pieces in place. They are fitted, but not quite ready for prime time. Okay, so there you have it. We have some basic insulated window covers. In the next video, I'm going to go ahead and explain and demonstrate how to customize the covers a little bit. You're going to be learning with me. I'm not an expert on this. I just want to make these covers my own, so I'm going to customize them a little bit. So if you'd like to come back and check that video out, please feel free to do so. See you soon and have a great day.